Now let's talk about Uno's multi-manage feature. This is an extremely useful feature because it allows stores that have multiple staff members and it gives them all the ability to work on the same Uno HUD without having to buy multiple licenses. The way it works is simple. You go into the settings menu, you click the group button right here, and you enter the UUID of your staff group, and you go ahead and submit. Now, if I were to res this Uno HUD on the ground, anybody who is in that staff group and is wearing the group tag can access the HUD, access edit mode, edit the buttons, and change anything just like you can. This makes it really useful and convenient so that anybody in your store staff can work on the Uno HUD. And that's it. That's how MultiManage works.